guys, I cut my hair. This is how short I cut my hair. Okay, so what do you guys think of my new haircut? I know it looks kind of funny and different. When I was little, I used to cut my hair like this. When I was little, and I used to have bangs, and I wanted to look like Dora the Explorer. So yeah, I decided to cut my hair because I was just kind of tired of having long hair. Anyways, I have my TV set up. Thank God I have my TV. But anyways, I like my hair. I don't know, it's something different. I was just tired of having long hair. So yeah, my sister doesn't like it. My niece doesn't like it either. But I like it. So as long as I like it, I think that's all that matters. But I'm going to get ready because I look disgusting right now. So although I'm not going to go out and like do the most, I am just going to try to look a little bit better from what I look like right now. Yeah, I was kind of debating whether to cut my hair or not, or to just dye my hair back to like my natural, I guess, try to find a color that kind of matches my natural roots, which my roots already are coming out. But I was like, I honestly have had really bad experiences with like hair, such as like having it uneven and then like people just not knowing how to dye hair. So I finally found one in California. So when I left California, I was like, oh my god, I have no one here that I can trust with my hair. I found someone that I can trust to cut my hair, but I don't know about dyeing my hair. So the only person that I can trust is, she's back at home in California. So now I'm just like, okay, I'm just going to cut it and let my natural roots like grow out, and then once it's like already looking like, whoa, then I can go back and like cut it again short, because I kind of miss my long dark hair. So yeah, so I'm just gonna get ready with you guys, and I am going to start with my moisturizer. My skin feels so dry right now, and it is snowing, so it looks so pretty outside. Ooh. Yeah. I hope everyone has a good day today for the New Year's, and stay safe out there. Please don't do anything stupid or that you might regret. You never know. I feel like COVID has really taught us so many things, and life can actually change in like a split second. So I'm so happy for the new year to come. I've had a wonderful year, such as like moving and like starting fresh and starting like new at a different place and all that. So I'm happy for what the new year might bring, although every year it's always like good and bad, but what can we do? That is life, right? So I'm just going to pin my hair back. It looks funny when I pin my hair back. It looks like, anyways, or you know what, I'm just going to grab one of these. I'm just going to grab one of these headbands and like pin my hair out of my face. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to put my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I feel like I haven't put this on in a while, and I kind of miss it, and I like the way that it leaves my skin too as well. But yeah, I always end up going back to the Smashbox primer, either if it's the gel or the water mist or whatever. So far after Vlogmas, I've just been chilling, sitting at home, doing some things that my mom has to do and helping her. But other than that, I've just been chilling, enjoying my Christmas break. I start work back on Monday, so I'm happy to see my students. I wonder what they're going to say about my hair. They'll probably be like, ah, teacher, what happened? You look hideous. I'm just kidding. I hope not. But I know kids can be very upfront, so Kids have no filter. They'll tell you how it is. And I like it. They don't lie to you. They don't try to like sugarcoat it. I'm just gonna put on a little bit of makeup. I always say a little bit, but I always end up putting a lot.
¿Ya vio?
¿Qué?
Está haciendo aire.
I am going to catch up with you guys in a little bit when I'm eating menudo. Guys, it looks so pretty outside. It is snowing. See, it's cold, but I don't know if you guys can see that. But it's snowing outside. It looks so pretty. Ooh, okay, it's cold. Trying to take a thumbnail. Ooh, it's cold. We have the tortillas to make hechas a mano. We have the chile over there. We have the menudo boiling over here, and we just have like, sorry, look kind of funny. We just have the cilantro, cebolla, chile. We about to eat good this new year. I don't know if you can hear my mom being super loud, talking on the phone, and you could also hear the dryer. But I'm going to make confetti cupcakes. I still have the cupcake cups to make them, so it's okay. It's still snowing outside, and I think it's still easy. I have 2 of these, so I need to get like rid of them as soon as possible so that I can get the Valentine's Day cupcakes, whatever sheets. I'm going to mix it in there. Set the oven to, I don't think there's anything in there. Probably could have made a cake, but I'm gonna make cupcakes. I am preheating the oven. Alright. So in the meanwhile, the oven is preheating. I'm going to start putting these here. I'm going to place these in the oven. Alright guys. Girl, if you hear your mom on the vlog, they're just chit-chatting. Cupcakes are done. I'm just going to add some frosting and of course the fun stuff.
No, hermana, yo de lunes a viernes. Ay, no le pongas a todos esos, ya ve. Es mucho dulce.
Okay, no me voy a poner eso, so yeah. My mom doesn't want me to. She doesn't want me to. Had frosting on there. They're a little bit too big, but that's because I put a lot of cupcake batter on it. So I am going to just place the rest here. But I already ate a cupcake and now I'm eating a second one. This is how it looks. It looks so cute. So good. So I am just going to end the vlog here. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to keep up with more videos, and I will catch up with you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Take care. Bye.